Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for government jobs using your mobile phone. First, identify official government job portals or dedicated apps. Ensure your mobile device has a stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to prevent interruptions. Gather all necessary documents, such as your resume, cover letter, and academic certificates, in digital formats like PDF or JPEG, ready for upload. This preparation will save you valuable time during the application process. Once you're on a government job portal or app, utilize the search filters effectively. You can narrow down your options by location, specific job type, or even salary range to find suitable positions. Carefully read each job description to fully understand the requirements and responsibilities. If a job interests you, but you're not ready to apply immediately, save the posting for later review. This helps you manage your applications efficiently. When you're ready to apply, accurately fill out all application forms directly on your mobile device. Pay close attention to every field to avoid errors. Next, upload your required documents, such as your resume and certificates, directly from your phone's storage. Most platforms support common file types like PDF. Before making the final submission, take 1 or 2 minutes to thoroughly review all the information you've provided to ensure everything is correct and complete. After submitting your application, confirm that it was successfully received and save any confirmation numbers or emails you get. It's crucial to regularly check your email and the job portal for updates on your application status. Be prepared for potential next steps, which might include online assessments or virtual interviews. Staying organized and responsive will significantly increase your chances of securing a government position through your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.